Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing Giaveno Unit 1428. This is an available terrace condo with the golf membership included. It's the Celiana floor plan, which is the end unit, so it's the largest of the terrace condos. 2 bedrooms plus den, right around 1,400 square foot. As you walk inside the floor plan, directly to the right is going to be the first bedroom here, and this is your guest bedroom. This unit is being offered furnished, so all the furnishings that you see will come included. This unit has upgraded plantation shutters, which is really nice, and also some additional shades above and beyond that. You've got your guest bathroom here right off the guest bedroom. You got the combination tub and shower there. And one of the unique things about the Celiana is you have a dedicated laundry space here with a pocketing door that shuts. And this leads us into the kitchen and the main areas. We're going to look at the kitchen here first. Nice sized kitchen overlooking your dining and living room space. This unit here has an upgraded backsplash there. Again, plantation shutters were added to this unit. The dining fixture here is an upgrade that was added, as well as the 3 pendant lights that you see right here over the countertop bar. And this brings us out into our dining and living space here. Nice size room for 6 top there. This lighting fixture was changed out as well. Then you have the space here at the kitchen bar with some stools. Directly across from the dining space here is the den, a nice sized den here. And you have the double pocketing doors for privacy. And then we've got our living space here. And this overlooks the terrace view, which brings us also back here towards the master suite. That's a king size bed there. It's got the nice window overlooking your views. Then you've got the his and her style closets here. So plenty of space here. And you have your master bath with the single sink and the standalone shower here. And last but not least, we're going to take a look at the view here from 1428. You've got a really nice lake view here in Giaveno, and that's the preserve directly across. And you do have the convenience of an extra parking area directly next to building 14 here for your guests. This lanai has also been tiled in, so you do have an extra upgrade there as well. All right, guys, this is Unit 1428, available for sale now, furnished. All the information about the property is below. If you're interested in this Celiana floor plan with golf membership included, you can reach us directly at all the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching.